entire world and entire country is appreciating the way Narendra Modi ji is running government. Because of the pro-people policies, Narendra Modi ji's vision of Viksit Bharat. So we have seen Prime Minister repeatedly talking about Gyan. If India has to be a developed nation, we have to give emphasis on Garib, Annadata, Yuva or Nari. This is the vision of a Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Because of his vision, India has already emerged as a global leader, and even the US is appreciating our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. This false propaganda by Congress party is nothing new. The Honorable Home Minister of this country, Shri Amit Shah ji, has repeatedly claimed, he has repeatedly clarified, due to the implementation of delimitation, no states in the country, more importantly, no southern state will lose any seats. In fact, the seats will increase. This clarification, this clarity has given by Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji himself. But Congress party, as usual, they are trying to do politics in this issue as well. They are trying to follow Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin. But as far as Narendra Modi ji or Home Minister is already clarified on this issue. I demand Honorable Chief Minister of the state, Shri Siddaramaiah ji, and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, if they are attending this meet on behalf of people of Karnataka and especially Old Mysore region, I demand Chief Minister to speak with his counterpart Stalin, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and set right the issue of Kaveri water dispute. Rather than doing dirty politics, our government, our Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister should address the water dispute issue. By mentioning it as a caste census, the state government is doing injustice to every community. And first of all, Siddaramaiah is not at all serious about this census. If at all he was serious, he could have implemented this report in his last tenure itself. But Siddaramaiah and the Congress party is using this caste census as a political weapon, which Bharatiya Janata Party will not allow.